this is Joan of Art. I am now in Siquijor, and this is the famous balete tree, our first item on the itinerary. Let's make it a one-day tour here in Siquijor. Balete tree, it's been there for centuries. They have souvenir shops. Tourists as well as locals come to this place to try their feet. So you can get a fish massage by submitting your feet and toes to the tilapias. So yep, fish nibbling on your toes under the shade of this giant century-old tree. Well, this is my second time to be here. The famous Cambugahay Falls. So we're going down the stone steps to Cambugahay Falls.
There are many people selling things on the way down.
How's it going, Ken?
It's going great!
Oops! Life vests for rent here, but they're not mandatory. The third falls, I think this is the main one, is the second falls, and we're on our way to the first one up there. The water is so tempting.
Life is wonderful.
Lovers in paradise. I'm here in my mini natural jacuzzi. Another trick shot. Whoops. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is Joan of Art at Cambugahay Falls in Siquijor. On our way to Salagdoong Beach Resort. And why is it called the Secret Garden?
The Secret Garden is, the owner of it is the Chinese. Still part of the Salagdoong.
Still part of
It's waiting here for 20
We can
years.
visit there also.
Yeah, okay, you can visit also.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
This is Joan of Art at Salagdoong Beach Resort. You can jump there if you want, but me no jump. He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump. Go, Ken! Feet first. Woo! Great job. Oops. Picnickers, barbecue, swimming. This is my favorite part of Salagdoong Beach. Welcome to Larena coffee shop and restaurant. We have finally circumnavigated Siquijor from our arrival here at Larena port. We went around the island. Look at the ship. It's leaving Larena port. I think it's on its way to Bohol. This is the view from the top down. We have a nice road up here. Luyang Poro Lazi National Road. We're on top of Siquijor. Not really the highest peak, but it gives you a 360-degree view of the entire island. Now at the Mount Bandilaan National Park. Is it really an owl? If the sound is far, it's near. I'm already scared. I'm just scaring myself. There's nothing. There's no internet signal. If you're lost in an enchanted forest, you have to reverse all your clothing so that you will go back to the way you were coming from. There you have it, Siquijor in a day. This is Joan of Art. Until our next island adventure. Bye bye. See you once again. We are at Baha Bar.